to subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, and get notified when the video drops. It is killing it. You guys are loving it so much. I can see all the comments, all the likes the video is getting. It's massive. Thank you guys for loving Vahem so much. I think almost 2 घंटे हो चुके and it's doing really well, all because of you guys. How you guys liking it? Let me know in the comments so I can reply to you. Armal's aficionado. Vahem is on loop. Thank you so much. I'm glad it is on loop. Suhana says Vahem song is amazing. Thank you, Suhana. I'm reading all your comments, so let me know how you're feeling about Vahem. What's your vibe? Waqib Amin, loved the new song, haven't heard it though. Wow. Okay, so maybe he just loves whatever I do without even hearing it. But please jaake sun lo. You guys will really like it. Arman Malik loves Vahem is on loop. Meku Te Kashi, how many song was awesome. Thank you so much. I thought I'll sing a few lines of Vahem. Today is a very busy day because I'm going to be doing a lot of interviews and stuff related to the song. But मैंने सोचा I'll spend a few minutes with you guys celebrating the release of Vahem. It's me singing a non-film single in Hindi after a long time, even though I did Zara Thero a few months back. But I'm really excited about this one. It's one of my favorite songs that I've sung this year. And बहुत पहले, early into the lockdown, I had told my fans कि मैंने कुछ ऐसा गाया है जो मुझे वजह तुम हो के vibes देता है. So Vahem is that song, and go listen to it. It's out on all platforms. I've posted the link in my stories. Bio में भी डालूंगा. अभी फिलहाल I've not put, but I'll put it. It's out everywhere. It's on T Series' YouTube channel. And yeah, go make it yours. Vahem is all yours. I'll sing a few lines of it. सामने तुम हो और मैं तुमको छू भी ना पाऊं, पास ना आऊं, मार दे मुझको, जान भी ले मेरे यकीन को जीने दे, तू मेरा है ये वहम. So that was a few lines of Vahem. गला थोड़ा सा अभी भी जगह नहीं है. रियाज करना बाकी है आज के लिए. But yeah, that was in the morning wali voice. Hope you guys are enjoying the song. It's a beautiful song. It's one of my favorites, and I'm so glad that it's out there. And we're ending 2020 with such a beautiful song. It's available on all platforms. बार बार बोल रहा हूँ, पता है मुझे, लेकिन थोड़े लोगों को ये पता नहीं है कि song is out everywhere, not only on YouTube. It's available on all your favorite platforms. It's available on JioSaavn, Spotify, Wynk, Hungama, Apple, और कौन से हैं, और जो भी हैं सब पे हैं. So yeah, it's available everywhere. Let me. Armal's aficionado. I missed that शायरी part in the MV. Why is it not there? वो actually was only part of the teaser. We kept it only part of the teaser and not the main video. I'm not sure why, but yeah. क्या था लाइन, मैं भूल गया. I was gonna say it right now. लाइन क्या था, डायलॉग क्या था? हाँ, बजा. Oh God. Hi Arman, I met you on the Kharagpur IIT Spring Fest. I'm really your biggest fan. Priyanka Mukherjee. Thank you, Priyanka. I'm so glad that I played at the IIT Kharagpur stage. I think it's one of the best fests in the country, and I'm so glad I played there. Lots of love. Mordani Karishma, nice song. ये क्या बज रहा है बाबा? Ad. नहीं ये तो मेन वीडियो है वो. अच्छा छोड़ चलेगा, बंद कर. कट कर दे. Hashim Bachwali, show your jacket. Here bro, see it. देख लो. अरमान की हाथ की चाय. वाह, मुझे भी पिला दो यार. मैंने कभी खुद की चाय नहीं बनाई है. दिल के टुकड़े टुकड़े कर दिए. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया यार, मैंने सिर्फ गाना गाया है. दिल के टुकड़े तो आसिम और साक्षी ने किए हैं. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, मैंने तो सिर्फ गाना गाया है. Vishali and Deepa, where are you going, by the way? Well, I'm on my way to the interviews for Vehem. Location बताऊंगा तो तुम लोग सब वहाँ पे आ जाओगे, तो इसलिए मैं बता रहा नहीं हूँ. But yeah, I'm doing some interviews for Vehem. So yeah, I'm heading towards those right now. Nawaj Khan official. Good noon. Good afternoon, bro. Lots of love. Abhi le lo. Seeing you after many days in live. Siri Gudipati. Thank you so much for loving me and always waiting for me to come live. Oh, by the way, the time is 2:22. I always happen to see 111, 222, 333. Owais bin Islam, interview with Asim or not? Well, today's interviews are not with Asim. Unfortunately, I think he is not available or he's busy with something. So I don't think we're doing the interviews today together. But hopefully soon you'll be seeing some interview of us together. If his and my schedule matches. Yeah, but I've not met Asim actually. We've collaborated and everything, but I've not gotten to meet him in person. So I would love to meet him and catch up. It's Tasneem. कभी-कभी live आना अच्छा होता है. I agree. That I should come live often, but I think special occasions पे जब live आते हो तो it makes more difference, it's better, it's more special that way. Being a celebrity, you must be difficult. You have to think a lot before saying anything on social media. Well, that is correct. मैं ऐसे ही कुछ भी नहीं कह सकता हूँ. Cannot say what's happening. अरे यार, take care of your health. Your face is showing it all. My face is showing it all. What is it showing? हाँ, नींद थोड़ी सी कम है. वो तो definitely I agree to that fact कि नींद थोड़ी कम है. लेकिन अभी बाकी health is fine. There's no issue. Everything is awesome. Just not slept much. Asim XUMAR. Okay. Vehem is going to be a super hit. Thank you so much, man. Thanks a lot. It means a lot that you guys have already been calling it a super hit. I mean, that means a lot in itself. Ojas AM_22. Have you just woken up from sleep? Well, I slept quite late, but I woke up early so that I could post about the video because the song launched at 11 and I woke up by 10:30. Slept by around 4 o'clock, so I didn't get enough sleep. Even though some people say 6 hours is enough, I guess, but nahi, मेरे लिए I think 8 hours are necessary. तब जाके पता मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि अच्छे से नींद हुई है. Armenian girl, please add someone on live or please add me. Okay, Let me see if I can add someone. Let's see who is there that I can add. Okay, let's see who's Arman ki haath ki chai. Let's see. Fan is I've requested. Where is your mask? Oh, my mask is here. I mean, I could be talking with a mask if you want, but I'm in the car now, so it shouldn't be an issue. Waiting for Arman ki haath ki chai. Yeah, even I'm waiting. I also want Arman ki haath ki chai. Okay, this person is not accepting my request. Not sure why, but let's take another person. Devashri Vyas. Okay. Who is behind you? There's no one behind me. कोई नहीं है बाबा. साइड में है आदमी. लेकिन कोई पीछे नहीं है. Which car you are going? I'm going in my car. My car. I don't like saying the names of brands and all that. You know, to be honest, I think it just feels too show off. I'm going in my car. जो भी है वो कार. सर मास्क मत लगाना, नहीं तो आपकी स्मार्टनेस नहीं दिखेगी हमें. नहीं यार, मास्क लगाना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, लेकिन अभी मतलब नहीं डाला है, which is fine because I'm in the car, but as soon as I get out I'm gonna put the mask on. I'm adding people but they are not accepting. ये क्या हो रहा है? Why are you not accepting?
Oh my
अरे वाह, yes.
Oh my
Hi.
God, oh my God. Hello, sir.
Hi, hello. What's your name?
बस नथिंग. बहुत बड़ी वाली फैन हूँ सर आपकी.
आपका नाम क्या है?
ध्रुवी.
ध्रुवी. कहाँ से हो आप?
अहमदाबाद, गुजरात.
अहमदाबाद. आपने सुना कि नहीं?
नहीं सर, अभी तो नहीं सुना, सॉरी.
नहीं, अभी जाके सुनो.
अभी जाके सुनती हूँ सर.
अब बड़ी वाली
सर
फैन हो
प्लीज
तो बड़ी वाली
one song for me, please.
हाँ?
Only one song for me, please, sir.
Which song do you want me to sing?
Oh my God. Whatever you want.
Okay. तू आती है सीने में जब सांसें भरता हूँ तेरे दिल की गलियों से मैं रोज गुजरता हूँ. कुछ नेटवर्क का इशू है, इसलिए आई थिंक देयर सम लैग इन माय वॉइस, बट दो लाइन गाए मैंने.
No, sir. Actually, sir, I'm a fashion designer and I just want to some garments design for you.
Oh, okay, that's
like.
तो मैं जब अहमदाबाद आऊंगा for you make something for me. Okay.
Sure. पक्का sir.
Okay, take care.
Bye. Thank you.
That was a fan named Dhruvi from Ahmedabad. I don't know why my voice was like echoing. I couldn't even sing properly on the live, but I was waiting for one line to get over so I could sing the other one. Let's see who else we can take. अरे सबको ऐड करूंगा यार एक ना एक दिन. अभी क्या बोलूं मैं? There's so many people to add. Okay, I think this fan is not accepting. I'm adding one last person before I head for my interviews because I'm reaching my interviews in like a minute.
Right.
Hello. Hi.
Hi, I
Hi, I
can't see
can't see
you.
you properly. Can you see me? Hello?
Yeah. Oh my God. I think I'm having a
I
network
think there's some
problem.
some network issues are happening.
Okay. Uh,
Hello. What's your
now,
name? Hi.
now I'm really shivering. My name is Aditi. I'm Aditi,
Hi Aditi. How are you? Where are
and
you
I'm a
from?
huge fan. I'm from Bhubaneswar, Odisha.
Oh, okay. Lots of love. Thank you. Thank you so much for all the
I
love.
really love Vem.
I'm sorry?
I love Vem so much.
Wow, thank you. Thank you so much. I'm so glad. It's just been like 2 hours and you guys already loving it. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much. All
Okay,
good?
thank you for adding.
Yeah,
Yeah,
of course. I
all
mean,
good.
I love adding fans on my live and it's a beautiful thing talking to you guys. Lots of love to you.
Unbelievable.
I've just reached my interview, so I might need to end this live. But
Okay.
just wanted to catch up with all my fans and say hi to everyone. So yeah, glad to be talking to you. Lots of love, and when I'm in Bhubaneswar, I hope I can meet you and all my other fans from there.
You have visited us several times, 3 to 4 times.
Yes, I have. I know. I mean, whenever I do next.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much for adding me. I love you so much.
Lots of love. Take care. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
So yeah, that's the end of this live. Sorry, I can't talk more because I need to head for my interviews. And yeah, sorry, I'm just a little phased. But yeah, lots of love to all my fans. Thank you for listening to Vehem. Go check out the music video. It's on T Series, his YouTube channel. All the songs are available on all the streaming platforms that you know of and probably use. So yeah, go check it out. Go listen to the song, share it, and stream it, and let me know how you like it. Bye guys. बोलना पड़ता है. अगर आपने नहीं किया है सब्सक्राइब तो go and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and get notified when the video goes live.